Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have a very exciting sneak peek for you. This one comes from the Diamond Design Co. Whoop whoop whoop. So some of you may know the Diamond Design Co. for their amazing mini kits over on Etsy. I met the owner, her name is Amy, and she is like one of the coolest people ever. Like, count me in as a fan. So she moved from minis and now is doing full-sized diamond paintings. She's been working her little booty off getting this out here for you all, and I'm so excited to show you one of her latest releases. She signed with one of my favorite artists of all time and one of Crafts with Crashly's licensed artists as well, Miss Fluff. You all know Miss Fluff, right? Her adorable pinup girls and all the kitties, all the things, right? We know her, I know her, and I love her. So she signed with Miss Fluff, and I get to unbox, give you a sneak peek of one of my favorite all-time Miss Fluff images. And that is, I think it's called Martini. Yeah, Martini Merkitty, I believe. Or she may have rearranged the words there. I've always called it Martini Merkitty. So this is the side of the box here. Of course, you know, we're going to open the box and everything to get more into it, but I wanted to give you the full overview of the box, what it looks like. Here we go. So we have instructions on the back and everything. So we have our thumbnail on this booty and over here on the other side's booty. So however you would prefer to store it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and open this up and see what we got going on here. So the box is shrink wrapped. It came, you know, nice and sturdy in a box and everything. And let's take the plastic off first. Ooh. So the box does have a really cool holographic background to it. I love details. Details matter to me, you know? I'm excited. Okay, let's see if I can get in here. Let's see, are we frozen? Not frozen, not frozen. Hold on. Oh, it opens at the top here. Okay, we're good. Don't mind me. There we go. Okay, so we're opening up this end. All right, here it looks like we have our toolkit. And let me pull this out. Okay, is that all? That's all we got. Okay, set this over here. So we have our canvas and our toolkit. Let's go ahead and check this toolkit out first. Okay, and here is what we got. So we have blue wax in this little round tub here thingamabob. We have, ooh, some death tweezers. Look at that. So I call them death tweezers because they're so sharp. I don't really use them to place drills, but I have a bunch of cats. So if I get cat hair on my canvas, I use them to remove the cat hair. And we have this blue pen here, standard. We have a smaller tray. It looks like we have a 4-placer. And, come on, that looks like a 7-placer, I believe. So we have a squishy, and let me see if this says, yep, 7-placer. See that little 7 there? 7-placer. So all the tools that we need are right here to complete the diamond painting. Now Amy just told me that they are working on upgrading their toolkits that come in their canvases. So soon, I guess it's on the ones that you order here soon, there's going to be a larger tray. You'll get the putty, an upgraded pen with their logo on it, and sharp tweezers. So upgraded toolkit is coming. So let me go ahead and put this stuff back here. And there are some promotions that she's running right now, so I'm going to tell you more. But right now I'm going to put everything back and we're going to open the canvas up. All right. So yes, stay tuned until the end of the video so I can tell you what's going on as far as like a humongous sale and a collaboration that her and I are doing for Miss Fluff. Because like I said, we have her signed for accessories, release papers, pens, tumblers, all the accessory side, and she has the diamond paintings. So that coming soon, stay tuned. Right now, let's go ahead and unravel the canvas. I see their logo at the top here. Oh my gosh! Look at it! Okay. So here's our sticker sheet. I'm going to set that aside here. And our drills and the baggies. Okay, here we go. All right, I'm going to just flip this canvas over here. And then we're going to just roll it the opposite way. It is poured glue, so the canvas should be, you know, do what we tell it to do. Sometimes you have to, in diamond painting, just show the canvas who's boss. So this is so cute. Tell me that this does not just give you, I don't know, like I'm a Richie lady vibes. Look at the attitude and the sass of this kitty. Oh my gosh. The symbols are fabulously clear. Amazing. Okay, I am so excited to work on this. I'm probably gonna like do this literally right away. So just right off the back, I'll give you guys a closer look at the canvas itself, but just a few call outs here. We have the name of the company here at the top, the Diamond Design Co. We have our key here on the left side and here on the right side. And we have their little slogan here. The art of sparkle is the heart of design. Dang, girl. Amy, you gotta put that on a t-shirt. You might have already and I missed it. I don't know. I would buy that t-shirt. All right, down here at the bottom right, we have their Facebook, the Diamond Design Co., Instagram, and their website. Now, this still has their Etsy. They actually just launched a website, like literally today. I can go on their website right now, and it is thediamonddesignco.com. I'll have everything in the description. On the bottom left, we have, it's called Merkitty Martini. Is that what I said at the beginning? I don't remember. I might have said Martini Merkitty. I always get the flip-flopped. So Merkitty Martini. And it has Miss Fluff's little logo here. She's so fancy. She's a fancy gal. And our thumbnail. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We're going to go through the sticker sheet here. This is my first like full-sized canvas from the Diamond Design Co. So I'm kind of like seeing things for the first time with you. So the sticker sheet, I know theoretically, maybe we can try to roll this the opposite way. But it looks like these are individual stickers too. So there we go. Okay, so this is actually like really, let me zoom in. Okay, I'm going to flip the canvas over so my camera will actually do its focusing. So this is really, really nice like photo paper. And I really like it a lot. So here's our list of colors. I do like that she has kind of like standard symbols. I don't know if I've seen one with just plain colors like that. That's pretty neat. So let's see. We have YG and ZG, all the colors here. And these are individual stickers too that you can put on your containers to kit things up. And let's see this thumbnail here. Is this a sticker? I can't tell. Okay, I don't think that's a cut out sticker, but it feels like this whole thing is a sticker. Maybe I'm tripping. I think this whole thing is a sticker. No, maybe not. I don't know. I feel like you could cut this out and it's probably a sticker, but I don't want to cut mine. So we use the little dotted lines here. I think you could cut that out. So Merkitty Martini, the art of sparkles, the heart of design, and we have instructions here. That is amazing. Okay. So individual symbols, this has 39 colors. Look at that. Okay. We're going to go ahead and go through the drills here. Set that off to the side. So zoom me back out a little bit. Maybe, there we go. Here are our drills. They're in baggies. That's nice. Okay, so we're going to go through here. There were how many colors? 39 colors. Let's see what they look like. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and like spread them out a little bit by color and see if there's any special drills. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm spreading out the baggies here, and all of these drills are fairy dusts. Are you kidding? That's crazy. Or glitter dust. I don't know what she decided to call them. So the glitter dust drills is kind of like, how do you describe them? Like drills, but there is a glitter coating on top of them. Look at this pretty dark blue. Oh my gosh. And here's like a lighter blue. You see that little glitter coating here? Look at this green. Oh my gosh, Amy. I think this full canvas, all of these drills are glitter dust drills. That's going to look amazing. That is incredibly exciting. So look at this. So the ZG is the glitter dust. And have you ever seen glitter dust 310s? You guys, oh my gosh. So let's see, we have 3 bags of 310s. All right, let's see what this is. They're crystals. Okay, so I think I just figured all this out. Okay, so there's a crystal, that's a C on the thing, and then all these Z's are fairy dust. Let's see, what does the Y mean? YG? What does YG mean? Let's go see. This is so much fun. You could do this canvas like right out of the bag if you wanted. I'll find that YG. So there's a big bag of the Z, the fairy dust or glitter dust 820, and there's a Y one in here somewhere. I just have to find it. Okay, you all, I had an epiphany. So the YG, they're glow drills. You heard me right. Pause the video, go Google it, go do a dance, something. They are glow drills. Oh my gosh. Should we see how good they glow? Okay. Okay, is Crashly extra? Yes. But I had to see, I have a UV lamp right over here. So look at this. This is the glow. It says YG020. You guys, look at this glow. I would bet my bottom dollar this is in the Martini itself. Look at that. Okay, but wait, there were 2 glows. So let's see. This one was like a darker green. Look at this. Oh my gosh. They like for real glow. They're like glowy glow. Glowy McGlowerton over here. So I don't know if you can see if I turn the lamp off. Look at that. This could light the way. This is better than Rudolph. We should call Santa. Okay, let's go through the rest of them. Okay, so I have them spread out a little bit. I was going to color code them, but like, who's got the time? So, look, this is the big spread, all the array of colors, right? So our big colors are the glitter dust 310s. We have 3 bags of that. Then we have 3 bags of 995. Beautiful glitter dust 995. And then we have a glitter dust 820. It's a big old bag. There's only one of these, but it was big, so I thought it was noteworthy. And this is the glitter dust 939. 4 big old bags of that one. Okay, so I'm going to get these put back away, and we're going to look closer at the canvas. Okay, so I went through and I found out where our other special drills are. We have the crystal and the 2 glows. So the rest is fairy dust, which is incredible, right? Okay, so our crystals here, you see that? Beautiful, beautiful crystals. So where I saw these were in the bubbles she has going up here. It is the outline of the bubbles. And also she has like this little ting, this little star here and right over here. So those will be this beautiful crystal. And the glow, so I was wrong. This glow is going down here in the lemon. And if you look, there's not really, it's like a blank square symbol. See that? That's pretty cool. Okay. So, and then, what was the other one? This one is the green just square. This is the other glow. And this is going in the cup. All around the outline of the cup. So cool. That's going to look awesome. It's going to have an amazing effect. So now I'm just going to zoom in the camera here so you could see the clarity of the symbols. Look at this. It is amazing. Okay, so while I'm taking you through the close-ups here, just going to tell you a little bit about promotions we have going on. So first of all, like I said, Amy is having a massive sale right now because she just launched her website. So she is offering 20% off all orders starting tonight at midnight Eastern all weekend long. So in the description, you're going to see her website. Bookmark that website starting at midnight. You just type in the discount code grand opening, all one word, all caps. You'll get 20% off your whole order. And this canvas, this amazing Merkitty Martini will be available tonight at midnight as well. That is huge. And what's even more, if you email Crafts with Crashly saying, hey, I bought Merkitty Martini, email us craftswithcrashly@gmail.com, send us your Diamond Design Co. order number, and we will send you a $10 gift card. This weekend only. This weekend only. You buy this canvas at midnight anytime this weekend, send us your order number, and we will give you a $10 gift card. That's crazy, right? I think that's crazy and awesome. This is all for Miss Fluff and supporting Amy. It looks fantastic. I will probably be starting this canvas next week, so grab yours and come paint with me. It is going to be amazing. The quality is there. It looks fantastic. Oh, and on her website, you can choose if you want round drills or square drills. So if you like one or the other, you get to pick. Isn't that amazing? Like, I love this canvas so much. I am stoked. So check out the description of this video and make sure you email me your order numbers when you order this canvas, Merkitty Martini. It will be released tonight at midnight Eastern. And don't forget to use the discount code Grand Opening, all caps, one word. So that's all I have for you for this video. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you subscribe and thumbs up the video. Until next time, everyone. Bye-bye.